In Automotive Engineering Design, the students will be immersed in the design process from the ground up. On their journey, they will become expert critical thinkers and problem solvers. Starting with the basics of automotive technology and engineering design, the students work their way through project-based courses and get hands-on experience in the automotive shop. As they progress through the curriculum, students will learn about the ever-growing world of electric and hybrid vehicles, as well as the communication systems that link everything in the modern car. Students will have the opportunity to work with electric vehicle kits, as well as explore autonomous driving vehicles with a great lab designed by Rutgers College. With partners like Jaguar, the students will see and analyze cutting-edge vehicle technology and how engineers have improved the designs throughout the years. The curriculum culminates in a senior capstone project where the students get to design and showcase the skills they have acquired throughout their time at BT.